friends. Now we will learn about land animals vocabulary. Macam-macam binatang darat dalam bahasa Inggris. Gajah, elephant. Gajah, elephant. Singa, lion. Singa, lion. Jerapah, giraffe. Jerapah, giraffe. Harimau, tiger. Harimau, tiger. Kelinci, rabbit. Kelinci, rabbit. Ulat, caterpillar. Ulat, caterpillar. Ayam, chicken. Ayam, chicken. Anjing, dog. Anjing, dog. Kucing, cat. Kucing, cat. Monyet, monkey. Monyet, monkey. Okay, now it's your turn. What is this? Yes, this is elephant. Elephant. What is this? Yes, this is tiger. What is this? Yes, this is lion. Lion. What is this? Yes, this is giraffe. What animal is this? Yes, this is a rabbit. Rabbit. And what animal is this? Yes, this is caterpillar. Caterpillar. What animal is this? Yes, this is chicken. Chicken. What animal is this? Yes, this is dog. Dog. What animal is this? Yes, this is a cat. Cat. And the last, what animal is this? Yes, this is monkey. Monkey. Yay, good job! Thank you, friends. Bye-bye.